waiting for a chicken patty to freeze. Oh, hey everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm lefty, and I am righty. There, I did it right. I'm still working on the other episode. I'm waiting, that would be the Burger King original chicken sandwich recipe. I'm still waiting for that ground chicken patty to freeze. Well, I want to attack the Wendy'S spicy chicken sandwich. We're going to start that one because guess what? Yes, it has to freeze too. There you go. So I decided I'm going to start this episode. I'm going to get it going. And this is what we're going to do. This is going to be pretty easy here. I'll get you aimed down here where you can see what's going on. Like this. Yoop. Just like so. Look at that. Aren't you cute? Here we go. We're going to take... I need... Oh, the cutting board's right here. What am I talking about? I'm not quite all the way set up for it. I just decided to do this. We're still going to need some flour and an egg, some hot sauce, some black pepper, some salt, some fog. That goes over here. What else do we need here? Garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper. Check, check, and check. Right? It's windy today. It's supposed to thunderstorm and rain today. I don't know if it's starting to rain or not. A tomato. I'm not going to do the tomato. Blech. Okay, got that, got that, got that. Okay, now, I need to get some plastic wrap for some reason. Plastic wrap usually fights me tooth and nail. So, what we're going to do here, I want to do 2 of these, I suppose, because, well, it sounds good. How's that sound for you? I'm going to do 2 of these, chicken breast and chicken breast. Now I've cut the chicken breast in half, this ways, see? Zap. I cut him in half earlier because I was already butchering chicken to begin with, so I could grind it to chicken burger, ground chicken. Okay, so what we're supposed to do, let me see how, get a little smashy smash, is we're supposed to take these, cover them with plastic. Okay. See, this is where I fight. Oh, plastic crap. This shit hates me and I hate it just right back. Okay. Which way is the cutting thing? It's on the bottom. I'm going to try it. Here we go. Come on. Win from the plastic wrap. Sort of. Move them together. We'll go from there. Okay. Let me get this out of the way so you can kind of see a little better what I'm doing here. You take your malata and mash them down into a chicken patty type size. Like a hamburger bun chicken patty type chicken patty. Something like that, I guess. Smash this one up. That one didn't take quite as long. Looks about right. Let's say that's pretty close. Good enough. Mashed. Okay. Now, I got these. I got to get this all out of the freaking way here. Got stuff everywhere. As usual in my kitchen. So, we got our chicken patties, right, y'all? Right? And we'll take our scrambled egg in our bowl, and this bowl and the egg gets hot sauce, whatever kind you like, I guess. I'm using that stuff. And you put hot sauce in there, like that, something like that. This gets all stirred together. I think you can see still. You stir this together. Your egg and your hot sauce get stirred together. The hot sauce stirred together like this. Like that. Okay? I'm going to make sure you can still see. Absolutely. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Now, we'll move this out of the way here for a minute. Our flour. Dun, 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 dun. I'm looking here. Flour. We put some cayenne in the flour here. A little cayenne like that. You put some paprika in there like that. Maybe a little bit more cayenne. Just cause it's supposed to be spicy. I don't know. Put a little bit of garlic powder in here. About like that, I guess. And a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. A little salt. Get me a little bit of pepper. If I can open this thing, we'll put some pepper in here, just like this here. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go with that, just to see what happens. Move these out of the way. Don't need those right now. Then, just gonna mix this all together with your fingers, like so. Don't need anything else. Cracked pepper, I got black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne powder, and salt. Hot sauce and egg. Okay, this ought to be pretty easy then. Now, what we're going to do, try to figure out which way I want to go here. We're going to go this way. We're going to go this way. You can move this out of the way. I don't know why I'm washing my hands, because I'm getting ready to just screw it up anyway. Let me look around here real quick. Oh yeah, this will work. Okay, now I got me a paper plate chop with some parchment paper on it. What we're going to do with these is this is going to go into the dry bread, the dry flour here. Dry, like this, pat him on there, get them all on there, like so. Right? And then into the wet, dip him in the wet, like so. Right, and then back into the dry, like so. She gets them up on here real good. Poke him down, get that all up on there, like so. A spot here that didn't get some. Okay, that looks pretty decent. Shake them off a little bit onto the plate, just like that. Same with this piece and any other pieces you're going to be doing. We're going to do dry, like so, to the spicy, floury goodness, like that. Then we're going to shake them off a little into the wet, into the egg and hot sauce. Hot sauce. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. And back into the dry. We're working them into here. Get this guy all floured up. Flour up. That spicy goodness right up on him. This episode I'm going to finish tomorrow. These will be fine in the freezer overnight. Probably help them. Get that all packed on there real nice. Onto our little parchment papery thing. Hey, I see a piece right there that didn't get none. Onto our parchment papery thingy like so. These guys go for a ride in the freezer. And they're going to get froze. And we'll finish this episode tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I can't touch anything. You have to listen to me for a second. I'm washing my hands so I can touch the camera. I'm going to try to finish the homemade or the copycat original Burger King chicken sandwich. We're trying to finish that one today. We'll see you back here tomorrow when these little Wendy's spicy chicken sandwiches come out of the freezer and we'll finish cooking them. Ha ha! Thought you'd get rid of me, didn't you? Welcome back. This isn't another episode of Hands On with BLG. Today, we finished making the Wendy's Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich. Yes. You can see here that I have toasted up some buns in a skillet with a little bit of butter. Toasted them up, just the one sides, tops and bottoms. See? Very nice. So we got them ready to rock and roll. Now, this is easy. We did the hard part already, folks. I made the big mess yesterday. So far, my mess is, well, one skillet that I've already washed. So what we got here is our fryer, again. That one. The dingo that's acting weird. Wait a minute. Cute puppies make you famous, right? That's what they say. You want to see the dingo again? Say hi, buddy. Say hi, everybody. Hey, baby. He's pissed off because the stew man got to go for a ride and get a haircut. He's going to try to get a haircut. And he didn't get to go. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Give me some likes. Give me some likes for the puppies. I'm going to get you set up here just about like this. I'm going to wash my hands because the dingo just kissed it. Get some soap. Wash off these your hands. There we go. Dry them off. Now, this is the easy part. Once again, do not use your lid when you're deep frying this stuff. Chicken and stuff, and potatoes and stuff. No. Don't do it. Anything with high moisture content. No. So what we got here is our frozen, remember we left off, seasoned and breaded patties, frozen up solid. And drop them in here. And down they go. Make sure they're not stuck, and they are not. These are going to go probably about the same. I would say probably about 6 or 7 minutes. If you're doing it in a skillet, you want to go probably somewhere around 3 to 4 minutes per side. Me, deep frying them. You can also, once again, use a wok or whatnot. So now we wait. This is a time when if you ain't got your tomatoes sliced up, like I said, me, I don't do tomatoes, but you'd slice your tomatoes now while he's doing that. Get them all set and ready to go. Yes, have your buns toasted and ready. Get your mayonnaise out. We just got back from Walmart. I actually got some leaf lettuce again. So we're set to make these bad boys, except for minus the tomatoes. So I'll see you guys back here, and these will start floating again, I imagine. They'll start floating and the bubble a little bit less, and then they'll get golden brown. I'll see you back here in probably about 6 to 7 minutes. Footnote, I forgot to tell you guys, I had it on the last video that I lost. That chicken was in the deep fryer, 365 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7.5 minutes. Damn rat bastard video. It locked up on me. It didn't video the rest of building the sandwich. So I'm just going to have to recreate it. We're not giving up here, folks. Not yet. You're going to look at how I put this sandwich together. So we got our... They don't look as pretty now, but I have to recreate it. We've got our butter toasted buns. This is the bottom. I put mayonnaise on the bottom, right? This is where you put your tomato if you use tomato, right? Chop. Right? Then your chicken goes on. Kabooyah! Then you put your lettuce on your chicken, right? Like so. Kind of pile them on up in here. Kabooyah! And then mayo on your top bun, and that goes on the top. So you'd have your buttered bun bottom, mayonnaise, your tomato, then your chicken, then your lettuce, mayonnaise on the top bun, boom. And let's get you a good shot of this thing. Hopefully this time it'll work for me. I don't know why it locked up, but there you have it, folks. And I'm eating half of one right now. They're pretty good. They're not super spicy. They've just got a nice little spice flavor to them. A little bit of a but not not overwhelming, but they are really good. I'm eating one right now. So enjoy. And for this episode of Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. I'm righty. I am lefty. Hit, click, like, subscribe, ring the little bell, share, all that good stuff. Yes, yes. We'll see you guys back here in the next exciting video, Hands On with BLG. I hope this one takes. Thank you, folks.